Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video is the third part of Nintendo Switch video series that I made. Make sure you watch the previous video so you will know how I'm modeling it. And in this part, we're gonna do the texture. Go to the shading here. And I'm gonna change over here to any reference picture we need. To select one of these, new material, press Shift A, search for noise texture node. Click here and press Ctrl T. If you can do that, just go to the Edit, Preference. I'm already installed it, so it should be on add-ons here, not Wrangle. If you cannot find it in the add-ons, it should be on the over here, Get Extension. You need to install it, then save your preference. After you have the not Wrangle, select your noise texture, you can press Ctrl T. It will automatically add a texture coordinate and mapping. Click Object Vector here and press Shift Ctrl, click at your noise texture. We need to increase the scale here, 100, or let's try 1000. Shift A, search for color ramp, put it here. We need to adjust the color here. Select your color ramp, press Shift Ctrl D. It will duplicate it, but keep the connection to the noise texture. Put here, let's move this. Then Shift A again, search for bump node, put here, connect color to high, normal to normal, and Shift Ctrl, click at our bump here. Then adjust the strength of the bump. Let's reduce it. Maybe just like this. Over here, connect color to base color here. Press Shift Ctrl, click at your principal BSDF. Just like this. Then we need to change the color here, the black one. It doesn't really dark. Maybe just something like this. Then select all of the part that you think have the same material, like this. Then click back here, Ctrl L, link material. Okay. No, this one. I guess we need a little bit shiny here. Turn down the roughness, 0.3. Okay. Then let's move to this button. Let's new material. Name it anything you want. I'm gonna name it arrow. At your principal BSDF here. Click it and press Ctrl T. Then image texture, open. Find your image reference. We're gonna use this one. Tap to the edit mode. Over here, change it to UV editor. We can press slash here. Then go to the edge mode. Click here. Here. Just select everything like this. Press U. Mark seams. Then press A to select everything U. Unwrap angle base. Okay, select all of this face, Ctrl L as to scale it, put it outside the frame. Over here, repeat, change it to clip. Select everything like this, we just to make sure we have the same size. Put it somewhere here. Scale it on the individual origin. Okay, this one, rotate it, hide it, Ctrl L here, put it here, adjust the position, then what we need to do, press slice again, your material output here, move it over here, principal BSDF here, shift D, duplicate it, put it here, shift A again, search for mix shader, put here, this one, put it here, and we can shift control and click here. It's gonna be the base material, put in black color here, not the roughness I guess. Okay, then shift control click here, principal BSDF this one, put it here, let's move 3 of this back here, shift A, search for bump node, put it here, let's just focus on the bump for now, put it on high, then put normal to normal here, add your mix shader, click like this, then color here, put in a vector here. Okay, we have this result, then change here to black, then we can reduce the roughness. Okay, next let's move to the home button here. Select this one, piece selection, it should be separated. Select this one, add material, just use the arrow one, tap to the edit mode. Let's press slash, click here, U, mark seam, A to select everything, U, unwrap angle base. This one, scale it down, and over here, put here, and scale this down, then let's rotate it. Okay, just like this. Then this button, use the same material, let's move at this part, tap to the edit mode, A to select everything, U, unwrap angle base, just use the arrow material, and in this case, select here, press 2 here, change it to the edge mode, or you can click here, then individual origin, select all of this edge, press S, X, 0, all of this edge also S, Y, 0. Then we need to click and drag like this, S to scale it down, rotate it, and let's found our R here, scale it up, adjust the position, somewhere here I guess. Okay, looks pretty fine to me. Do the same here, we need to mark here, and here, U, mark seam, then add the material, the arrow, U, unwrap, K, this one, scale it down, put it somewhere here, do something like this, press S, Y, 0, S, X, 0, scale it down, rotate it, put it here, let's see at the top here, let's click here, show overlay, let's disable it for now, so we can see it a little bit clearly, rotate it, okay, maybe just like this. Enable this again. Let's apply this modifier. Tap to the edit mode, Alt Z, click and drag, select all of this, Ctrl L, P selection. Then do the same over here. Apply this mirror modifier. Tap to the edit mode, P selection. Okay, let's do this one. Disable it first. Then let's put it on the L here. Press R twice, click, drag like this. It's flipped already, then we only need to adjust it again. Enable this one, do the same here. Then let's disable this again. put it here, air twice, flip like this. Then you can do the same method with these two buttons. This one, let's press Ctrl R, put loop cut here. Then we need to select this edge. Do the same on the other side. U, mark seams, click here, arrow material, U, unwrap angle base. Then select this button, tap to the edit mode, select all of this edge, U, mark seams, U, unwrap angle base. Actually, we don't need this back here, just delete the face. For this one, we're gonna click and use the arrow, but in this case, we need to click here, new material to duplicate it, and let's name this action button. Then image texture here, change to this one. Then we don't need the normal here. As you can see here, there's nothing happen. We're gonna change the color here. Okay, then let's swap over here. This one should be an X. Just select unnecessary part, as to scale it down. This one, let's see, it shall be Y. Then we need to change the color here to a little bit gray. We're gonna do the Nintendo Switch logo back here, this part, material here. Let's duplicate it, name it Nintendo logo. We need to tap to the edit mode at the back view. Let's change it to viewport shading so we can easily select the edge. Just select like this, U, mark seam. Let's mark over here also. This is for volume, then this one I guess. After we doing this, we're gonna U, unwrap, just angle base. What we're gonna do, let's click and drag here, put it here, then Shift A, search for mix shader, put here, Shift A, search for image texture, put here, then we're gonna press Ctrl T, adjust it here, open here, select this one, conical artifactor, let's shift Ctrl click here, then back here, let's disable this one, let's select unnecessary part, scale it down, put it here, this one, rotate it, put it here, as to scale it up. Okay, it's totally fine, click shift Ctrl, put here, we need to add a color, add principal BSDF, click and put here, just like this. For the volume here, select all these 5 nodes, Shift D, duplicate it, put it here, mix shader, this one, connect this to shader here, then hold Shift Ctrl, click like this, then at this image texture, click here, then we're gonna use this one, text one, open, let's tap to the edit mode, select one of these face, press Ctrl L, then go here, press A, as to scale it, R to rotate it 90 degrees, then let's put it here. Okay, then this one also, L, A here, scale this up, let's see the result here, let's move this like this, then press Shift A, search for bump node, put it here, we're just gonna click here, put it into high, this one, then connect bump here to normal. Let's change the color to black, Okay, it looks pretty fine. Then this object, new material, name it rubber. Make it black. The roughness. Then Shift A, noise texture, Control T, object to vector, Shift A, search for color ramp, put here, connect vector to vector, Shift Control, click at your color ramp, then adjust the scale, 100, 500, just like this. It will have a little bit texture, then at a bump, put it on high, normal to normal here, Shift Control, the distance here just make it 0.001. Okay, that's enough I guess. Copy link material, then this one, it's just a simple black with the roughness, shiny. Just like this. Let's select everything that should be black. Then this one, Ctrl L, link material. This object, new material, just click like this and click here, turn down the roughness. That's all. Then this one, it should be the blue one, new material, click like this. Click this eyedrop. Let's hide anything in the middle. Everything here almost use the same material. Just click like this, link material, link material. This part is just a hole. Just delete this. And this one, new material, increase transmission, turn down the roughness, then change the color a little bit darker. All of this, new material, let's delete the principal BSDF, search for emission, put it here, and change the color, maybe a green color. Let's try to see on cycle. Go over here, change EV to cycle. It needs a little more darker. Okay, you can repeat the process with the other one here, the blue one. I guess we are done here. Thank you for watching.